Welcome to the vCom Solution Training Series, where we break down how vCom solution offerings can transform your IT environment. In this session, we're exploring Buyers Club by vCom, our wholesale aggregation solution that takes IT and telecom procurement to a whole new level. You'll learn what Buyers Club is, how it streamlines vendor and invoice management, and why it delivers operational simplicity for your business. Before we dive in, let me quickly ground us in who we are and why this matters. At vCom, we're built on 3 core values. We give time back to our customers by removing manual, repetitive tasks and taking the busy work off their plates. We deliver information and visibility so you always know where your technology stands and you can make smarter decisions faster. And of course, saving money by eliminating waste and optimizing spend to create shareholder value. That's the foundation of everything we do. We use a lifecycle management framework that covers the 9 stages of any IT asset from cradle to grave. This means solution design, sourcing, contracts, orders, assets, tickets, invoices, accounting, and analytics. Each phase is key to making your IT lifecycle efficient, and each stage connects and supports the next. We support customers through this entire lifecycle with a mix of expert people, processes, and purpose-built platform to deliver our 3 values at every stage. So what exactly is Buyers Club? It is the ultimate lifecycle management experience that brings together 4 core pillars: aggregation, consolidation, normalization, and integration, to simplify and supercharge your IT and telecom environment. It's a wholesale buyers club that aggregates IT and telecom services from over 120 global providers, including all major North American carriers, into a single, easy-to-manage experience. You still get to choose the carriers and plans you want, and Buyers Club aggregates the power of a large organization to get you better management and terms without locking you into long-term contracts or volume commitments. We bring all your vendors and services into one place. Instead of juggling multiple contracts and invoices from a bunch of different providers, Buyers Club consolidates everything. This means your finance team doesn't drown in paperwork. They get one clear, easy to understand invoice, making life simpler. We clean up confusing vendor jargon that usually comes with those invoices. You know how every provider has their own way of naming things and formatting charges? Buyers Club standardizes it all, so you see the same clear terms across the board. No more trying to decode invoice puzzles. And all of this happens inside a platform that ties every service and charge back to the right asset. That means your IT and finance teams are finally on the same page with real-time visibility and tools for approvals, tracking, and detailed reporting. In short, Buyers Club gives you vendor aggregation, invoice consolidation, data normalization, and platform integration, the 4 pillars that turn complex vendor management into a simple, transparent, and cost-saving process. This delivers huge time savings and next-level visibility, letting your teams focus on what matters most: running and growing your business. Now that you know what Buyers Club is and why it matters, let's tour vManager to see these 4 pillars in action. Buyers Club provides a carrier-agnostic marketplace under sourcing where you can shop for both network and mobile services seamlessly. This marketplace is fully integrated within vManager, including contract review and approvals. No outside vendor contracts to manage separately. Everything ties directly into the lifecycle of your assets at every stage from procurement through to ops. This means you never have to hunt for contracts or worry about managing multiple vendor agreements. They're all stored and tracked within the system in our document center, supporting smoother audits and compliance. When it comes to assets, Buyers Club elevates asset visibility with next-level attribute details that you can find in the inventory menu. All service details, even associated contracts and invoice charges, are linked at the asset level for clarity and convenience, even for network technology. This means you can see the contract you signed and what you're paying for directly associated to the asset. No additional navigation required. When you are drilled into an asset record, you can open orders or support tickets directly from the tool using the hamburger menu, making lifecycle management truly end-to-end. For finance teams, Buyers Club offers a game changer: consolidated invoices by spend. No matter which vendor provided your service, your finance team receives one single invoice covering all charges. Imagine going from 20 plus network and 5 plus mobile invoices a month down to 1 for network and 1 for mobile. Buyers Club dramatically cuts down the number of invoices to process, reducing administrative overhead and simplifying accounts payable workflows. On top of these benefits, you're no longer decoding complicated invoices because Buyers Club delivers highly detailed, normalized billing info for network and mobile. Ever try to pull all of your network charges by circuit from an invoice? With Buyers Club, we are able to provide you those full details on every invoice charge, so every dollar is accounted for. Plus, if there are any discrepancies or billing disputes, vCom takes care of them for you, disputing charges directly with carriers so you don't have to lift a finger. Finally, let's talk about analytics and insights. Because Buyers Club provides the most robust details for your assets, we are able to slice and dice the data into over 100 charts and reports. The same great options that are available with Lifecycle Management, but even more powerful with Buyers Club level data. The Buyers Club granularity makes getting the data you need when you need it easy, efficient, and clear. One example is our vAnalyzer tool, which provides powerful spend trend visualizations over a 13-month timeline. When you procure through Buyers Club, you get next-level drill-down access to seeing charges by the individual asset across 13 months, giving your IT and finance teams unprecedented clarity on where your budget is going and where savings opportunities lie. Together, these features makes Buyers Club a comprehensive, efficient, and transparent way to manage your tech environment. Thanks for joining me to learn about Buyers Club by vCom. If you're ready to simplify your IT and telecom procurement, save time, and reduce complexity, Buyers Club has you covered. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a personalized demo. Thanks for watching.